Choosing a hypervisor. VirtualBox versus VMware versus Hyper-V. A hypervisor is essential for running virtual machines, but with so many options available, how do you choose the right one? In this lesson, we'll compare three of the most popular Type 2 hypervisors: VirtualBox, VMware Workstation, and Hyper-V. VirtualBox, free and open source. VirtualBox is a free open-source hypervisor developed by Oracle. It is widely used for personal and educational purposes. Pros: free and available for Windows, macOS, and Linux. Supports a wide range of guest operating systems. Easy to use, making it great for beginners. Cons: slower performance compared to VMware and Hyper-V. Lacks some advanced features found in commercial hypervisors. VirtualBox is ideal for students, developers, and those who need a simple and free virtualization solution. VMware Workstation performance and features. VMware Workstation is a premium hypervisor designed for power users and IT professionals. It comes in two versions: VMware Workstation Player, a free version with basic VM capabilities; VMware Workstation Pro, a paid version with advanced networking and cloning features. Pros: excellent performance and stability. Advanced features like snapshots, cloning, and encrypted VMs. Seamless integration with VMware's enterprise products. Cons: the Pro version is paid, which may not be ideal for casual users. Slightly more complex setup compared to VirtualBox. VMware Workstation is best for professionals who need high-performance reliability and enterprise-level features. Hyper-V, built-in for Windows users. Hyper-V is a hypervisor developed by Microsoft and comes built into Windows 10 Pro, Enterprise, and Windows Server. Pros: free for Windows users, no additional downloads required. Better performance than VirtualBox on Windows. Tight integration with Microsoft products like Windows Server and Azure. Cons: only available on Windows, no Mac OS or Linux support. Some Linux distributions may have compatibility issues. Hyper-V is the best choice for Windows users who need a fast, reliable, and built-in virtualization solution. Which hypervisor should you choose? Choose VirtualBox if you need a free, cross-platform, and beginner-friendly hypervisor. Choose VMware Workstation if you need high-performance, advanced features, and professional-grade virtualization. Choose Hyper-V if you are a Windows user looking for a built-in efficient solution. Each hypervisor has its strengths, so the best choice depends on your needs. In the next lesson, we'll walk you through installing your first hypervisor.